We did not need to know that.
Okay, but it went down. I think this is your first time hearing my hyena laugh.
What?
Okay, for future reference, I have a laugh that sounds like a hyena that later progresses into a laugh that sounds like a duck.
Really, I hadn't noticed.
It sounds like a dying animal.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Me too.
Just the expression on your face is like, what the hell is wrong with you?
Water.
Oh my god.
Don't make me laugh while I'm eating chili.
Okay, so right now the pie just come around and leave.
Okay.
That's something everything's doing.
Yes, I'm eating my regurgitated chili.
Oh.
I didn't regurgitate that. I didn't need to do that.
Oh my God, I can't stop laughing. You're like crying.
I don't know what.
I'm trying to have some water, but I can't stop laughing.
I'm gonna need Depends at an early age.